In this module, we are going to learn about the rise of other actors on the political scene. Opening of national borders amplified the flow of people, goods, services, finance, and information across the boundaries. Institutional and policies regimes also transformed globally. Rapid flows due to technological advancement, making exchanges across the borders became less costly than ever before. Better transportation facilities. Owing to the process of this globalization, time and space were compressed and everything was being integrated, and you may call that they were getting closer to each other. Emergence of international financial institutions like IMF and World Bank and then World Trade Organization. These were the institutions which really made the increased interconnectedness possible in the global village. Economic policies are influenced, budget allocations, important political decisions, agreements, and actions are affected by international organizations. Laws are also affected, reduced welfare. It is said that because World Trade Organization settles the differences among the states, and it favors more to the western part of the world, and it may reduce the welfare of the developing part of the world. World Trade Organization not only supervise the trade but also impose economic policies and provides an international platform for economic conflict resolution. Power politics has increased. The gap between the countries has expanded. The trend toward multilateralism has been contributing to transnationalism because center of power has been divided now. It is no more, the five major powers are contributing in the world power system, but now Canada, Germany, and Italy, to an extent Brazil, every other country like Japan technologically is highly sophisticated. So such countries are Australia are also contributing in the world power system. National and international NGOs act as watchdogs. Their influence over government has increased. International organizations such as European Union and United Nations have also determined the role of nation states. Emergence of international alliance institutions, rise of non-state actors has given a new dimension to the international politics. Because after just looking at these points, we may say that there is something missing at global level. You may call it that absence of central authority that may cause anarchy in the result. Political experiences are shared in the globalized world. For example, China has learned democratic political conception from other countries, although they do not accept it. Accelerated conflict between the East and West. International institutions developed global goals, which requires global efforts from all around the world. Different political experiences can be experimented in different parts of the world. But we cannot say any system can be imposed in any part of the world because there are different kinds of individuals who have their individual habits and habitat. So, living in that perspective or considering that perspective, we need to understand that every system cannot be installed or imposed in any part of the world.